Hey my beautiful babes, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Sherry, and as you can see from the thumbnail, we are going to be doing a collab using the Fenty Beauty Moroccan Spice palette. I absolutely love this palette. I think her formula is really good, and this is what it looks like. This is going to be a collab between Adventures of Xinia and me. Basically, we're doing a palette bingo. We're going to have a random number generator pick us 6 shades, and we're going to create a look with whatever 6 shades come up. So if you're interested in what I can create with this random shade picker, keep on watching. Okay guys, so I am going to pull up the random generator picker thing on my phone, and I'm going to screen record it and insert a clip of it for you guys so that way you can see what numbers it picks out. And we're going from this white shade here, 1 all the way through 16. Okay, so as you can see, it picked out shade number 10, number 5, number 3, number 8, 13, and 2. So let's go through those. So number 10 was the first shade. So it's going to be this burgundy maroon kind of color shade here. Number 5 is going to be this gray shade here. It also picked out number 3, which is going to be this nice gold shade right here. Number 8, which is going to be this gold shimmer shade, which is a little bit darker, so that'll work out to my benefit. Number 13, so that's going to be this blue shade here. This is also a shimmer, which I'm thinking maybe I can smoke it out. And then number 2, which is going to be the light gold shade. And I also have a plan for that. So I'm thinking the numbers that I got and the shades that I got are not so bad. So let's see what I can create with these shades. All right, guys, I'm going to go ahead with my Morphe eyelid primer. I am going to go ahead and set down my base, and then we will put on a translucent powder because I did not get a shade to set my base with. Okay babes, so I went ahead, put my eyeshadow primer on, and I also did set it with a translucent powder because we did not get a regular base shade for me to set it with, so I just did it with some translucent powder. Now, looking at the shades that I was given, I think I'm going to go in with number 10 first, which is that burgundy shade right here. Okay, so that is that burgundy shade down. I did have some trouble blending. It was not the best. As you can see, it is a little still patchy in certain areas. That color, it's not. That's my first time using that color, and I don't think it's the greatest. I do like her shimmers, but that matte so far was not the best. I can keep blending, but I've already been spending about 5 minutes fast forwarded on blending, and I kind of give up. So we're gonna make do with what we have, and we're gonna keep on going. So the next shade that I think I'm going to go in with is number 13, which is that darker blue shade, and I'm just gonna put that down on the edges. I am just dipping back into that maroon shade we had originally used and just blending those two colors together and adding some more of that color back in. I'm going to take a clean brush and just blend the edge out. Okay, so the next shade we're going to move on with is going to be a shimmer, and that is going to be shade number 8, which is going to be this darker gold right here. Color we're going to go in with is going to be shade number 3, and shade number 3 is going to be this lighter gold shade. So those are the two shimmers. I think they blend well together. The lighter gold has like a green reflect in it, so it makes a little more color to the look. So I think that's very nice. The next color we're gonna go in with is going to be shade number 5. And what shade number 5 is this light gray shade right here, and we're gonna put that under the eye. Okay, so that is shade number 5. The last shade to use for the palette bingo is number 2, And number 2 is this very pretty light gold shade right here. And we're going to pop that in our inner corners. Alright babes, I'm gonna go pop on my mascara and be right back. Okay, all my beautiful babes, so this is the final look. I did go ahead and pop on some lashes because I felt that this look just needed lashes to give it that really sexy, seductive kind of eye. So I hope you enjoyed the look that I created today doing this palette bingo with Xinia. I really had fun doing this, stepping out of my comfort zone and using shades that were random instead of right away looking at a palette knowing what I'm gonna do. This was a very, you know, out there for me, just putting random shades together to create a beautiful eye look, and I think it came out pretty good. Let me know what you guys think down below of this look. And like I said, the one shade, well, 2 shades, they didn't blend so well together, which was the maroon shade and this blue shade. They didn't mesh very well together, but I did make it work. As you can see, I did get them to finally blend together and look decent. So I hope you guys really enjoyed this, and I will be coming out with another collab video that you will have to stay tuned for. That one is going to be also using a very exciting palette, so stay tuned for that. I will leave Xenia's channel linked down below in the description box. Please go check her out. And until the next video, guys, stay safe. Bye.